Welcome back to as well. We have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your X account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For that matter, you're first gonna go ahead access your X account, X app on your mobile phone. Once I've done so, this kind of information you're gonna find, right? And if you would like to delete your account, you're simply gonna go ahead tap on this profile icon on top left corner, and simply gonna go ahead tap on this option called setting and support given below, and tap on settings privacy, and it's gonna show you this option called your account, right? Simply gonna go ahead tap on this option called option of your account, and in this section you can find this option called deactivate account just given below. So go ahead tap on it, and this will let you deactivate your account by simply tapping on this deactivate option given below. And if you would like to permanently delete it, right, so apparently you don't have only an option of deactivating account here in this hack. So you're simply gonna go ahead deactivate your account if you would like to delete it, and that is the only option available. So that will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. In this, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.